How to transfer from Nordea Bank to Swedbank. Log in to your Nordea online banking account. Navigate to the Payments or Transfer section. Choose the option to make a new transfer or payment. Select the account from which you want to transfer funds. Enter the recipient's details including the name, IBAN number and any other details. Double check the entered information for accuracy. Enter the amount you wish to transfer to your Swedbank account. Choose the currency and any other information or options for the transfer. Review the transaction details and confirm the transfer. Ensure you have sufficient funds available in your Nordea account to cover the transfer. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.